Senior Moving Services in Raleigh. Your stress-free relocation starts here. Moving at any age is challenging, but for seniors, it's more than just boxes. It's a lifetime of memories, health needs, and emotional transitions. In Raleigh, compassionate senior moving services ensure you don't face this journey alone. It starts with a conversation. A certified move manager listens to your goals and creates a detailed plan, from downsizing to unpacking, so your move feels organized and personal. Downsizing isn't just sorting, it's honoring your story. Our teams help you decide what to keep, donate, or sell, while connecting you to local Raleigh charities and estate sale partners. We protect your most precious things, carefully wrapping heirlooms, creating a digital inventory, and using memory-friendly labels to make unpacking simple. Safety is our top priority. Our crews use padded equipment, ramps, and gentle handling to prevent injury or damage because your comfort matters. Local expertise makes a difference. We know Raleigh's streets, parking zones, and building access rules, so there are no surprises on moving day. Once we arrive, your setup begins. Each room is arranged just as you envisioned, familiar, safe, and ready for living from day one.
We don't just drop boxes. We help make your new space feel like home, unpacking your favorite books, hanging photos, even setting the table.
Let's make your move simple, safe, and meaningful. Call Better Life Moving in Raleigh for your free consultation today.